Welcome back to Middlefield Sawmill. Today on the mill we have a honey locust. I don't know what this is going to look like when we cut it open. There's a lot of bug holes. At least up here there's bug holes. Down here there aren't. And it's actually too wide for the mill. Look, there's stuff growing in it. Let me get the tape measure and get some dimensions here.
Look, it's one of his favorites. It's got a crotch in it.
Yeah, so this way, down to the bottom. That's 42 inches to the top, so we got to cut that back to 36, so about to there. That way it'll fit through the saw this way, because we're going to slice like that. I wonder if there's a squirrel in there. Anyway, got to cut the top off, lay it down, cut it this way. Should be fun. All right, let's see how. This way we've got 22 inches. The length is 6 foot. Down here at the big end, we've got about 29 inches. So a little bit of butt swell, so call it 28. But yeah, this will be a good one to saw. Should have some cool grain in it. We got Uncle Adam on the camera.
Hello.
All right, Adam, I'm gonna come across and just cut this right here. This dirt off. Going in and coming out, and you know, whatever you can get pictures of.
George playing with his wood, take two.
Hi, Quinn. thing is rocking now. So definitely got to roll it over. I get it. You got that on there?
Mm-hmm. Holy sh**.
Yeah. I know, they're a little heavy. Ooh. Oh, we're going to throw water on that. This log is worth the price of admission here. Right there, look at that. That's almost like a black walnut crotch there. That's really cool. I'll go get water. We'll throw water on it. Oh yeah, nice and flat. Amazing what a new blade will do. So here's the shot from above. You can see there's two of these. There's one there. And you can, oh, let me get over there. These are too big. You can see the figure in that one. I haven't cleaned that off yet. And in here, look at this. That's almost as nice as a black walnut crotch. I mean, that's gorgeous. So that's up at this one end. It goes all the way over there. There's Uncle Adam. Say hi.
Hi.
That's great. And then there's a going down the other end. I can't walk down this, I'll fall.
Yeah, make a beautiful table.
Oh, no joke, man. This is pretty stuff. All right. Pull that off. Just toss it on the side. Then I'm just going to make a bunch of cuts all in a row. That's a big log. You know, you don't realize how big that is.
What was the length on it?
6 foot, something like that. It's got to weigh 1,500 pounds.
Oh, ain't light. Have to go in reverse order back on there.
Oh, okay.
Alright, I gotta back up and finish sawing that. Alright, so I'm at 9 inches. So I guess I'll do 3 3-inch slabs. Got it?
Yeah.
So 8 slabs, honey locusts. I got to get some stickers. I'll get those. I'll get a log tomorrow that I'm going to make stickers out of, and sticker and strap them. Bit of work to go yet, but that's it for today. So hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. So somehow either I didn't get the footage or I lost the footage of those last few slabs, but I'm stickering them today, so figured I'd get the footage now. That's one. Here's the next one. That's some pretty stuff. That really is. It was really wide. I can't even get the whole thing in the frame. So that end is pretty straight. There's a knot there in the middle, and there's that big crotch. And the final slab. There's another crotch forming there. Plus this one here with a bark inclusion. So yeah, pretty cool. It's also a big crack right down the middle. And I think I saw an ant. So I'll have to put ant poison on this one too. But yeah, nice. That looks like a galaxy right there. That's it, the galaxy slab. All right, that's it for those. You've seen the others. Hope you had fun. Thanks for watching.